Morning guys, so I got behind me a 2021 Montana High Country 294 with the RV refrigerator. I'm going to go through and show you where they eliminated the carpet, they changed some colors and some really neat stuff, so let's go check it out. Okay, so we got both awnings out. You got your generator storage up front. It is not prepped as a standard. That is an option that you can get from the factory. Along the side and the outside, nothing has changed like the Montanas. The biggest changes are on the inside, so we'll cover that here in a minute, but I just want to give you a run through on the outside. Standard 30-pound propane tanks on both sides. Nice big pass-through storage. You've got outside speakers up towards the top of your awning with your LED light strip. Got the nice zero gravity weightless steps. Nothing new there, just really neat stuff. Your second awning. Then along the back, you've got your ladder to get up on the top. You've got nice new LED lights now with the reverse lights in the middle. 3,000-pound towing hitch with the 4-way plug. Up towards the top is the backup camera prep, so it's a plug-and-play system, easy peasy. Here's your 50-amp hookup, also your water overflow. There's your vents for your refrigerator so it can circulate the air. You've got your 35,000 BTU furnace and your 12-gallon hot water heater. And notice how high up these are. These are actually built in within the frame of the coach, so that's one of the things that makes it a 4 seasons unit. Here's your water and hookup connections, so pretty standard stuff there. This is a 4-point automatic leveling system. Super easy. Hook up, turn it on. It's going to tell me that because it's been turned on. So this couch weighs 11,040 pounds. Let's check out the inside. This is where some big changes happen, and I love it. Check out that color. New island, so there's no more brown. It's not going to mismatch with everything. Even your fascias on top of your slides and the sides is a darker color, so it's going to go really good with the dark theme that they're going with here. Absolutely love it. We've got the 12-volt fan circulating. Countertop color has changed a little bit. The chairs are still really nice. No more carpet though. How cool is that? So this is the PVC woven material, stain resistant, hair resistant. It's not going to collect crud just like carpet would. New side valances, so they're just a nice sleek modern look to them. You've got your blackout roller shades. Nice big windows. Looks like this light box has changed a little bit, so it you know, fits the color scheme they're going for. Just overall really good job. So I apologize, there's no TV in here, but nice thing about that, you can see the storage that you have behind. Okay, pretty cool. New microwave, that is a standard, it's not convection, however it is a big 30-inch microwave. You got the new Suburban 3-burner stovetop with the bifold cover. Some nice lights there around the switches. You got a light down in the oven itself, just a bigger oven overall, and then you got the nice pull-out storage tray below. So in this 294 High Country, you got the nice LED lights all the way around this new colored island. You've got the black stainless 80/20 sink, nice big sink, heavy duty. It's not that cheap flimsy stuff you can almost poke through with your finger. You also get this little flip up side table, very nice solid surface on the side of your coffee bar station as well. And then you've got your really big pantry. Again, this is the 294, so that refers to the RV refrigerator. Once you get into the 295, then you get the nice big 18 cubic foot refrigerator, so this is only a 13, I believe, unless that was a typo. It could be a 12. So with the 21s, even though this is a 294 with the RV fridge, it does not have an inverter. However, with the new solar prep, they've already gone ahead and run 5 outlets through the coach that are going to run off of an inverter if you decide to put one on here. And each one is marked with an electric bolt there with the sun on it. So same thing with this television back there. You can see it marking. So really that's the biggest change in here is the color scheme. You can see the doors up into the bedroom and the bathroom have changed as well, just to match that nice new island. And then that carpet is gone now. It is a PVC material that is just going to hold up a lot longer. It's not going to get flat like carpet. On your steps, you've got your central vacuum system. So that's very nice to have. Makes it super easy and convenient to clean up. So in here is going to be your control panel. Everything is labeled. Finally, everything is labeled. Solar prep, so all the wiring and everything is run to this central spot. All you literally have to do is add the controller. It's pretty easy peasy plug in, especially now that the 5 outlets are run off of that inverter. That's a huge change that you used to only get when you would order from the factory. But now it is obviously a standard on all models. So that's your washer dryer prep. Otherwise, that is a huge amount of storage. Looks like the shower has changed a little bit. The drain used to be in the center. So now you get a nice seat. You got different spray heads, so that's always good. Nice big skylight. Check out the toilet. I don't think anything has changed here, but we'll just show you. You got plenty of room to sit there, do your business. Again, this door has changed. It just kind of goes good with the white mystic ash color scheme they got going on. Then you've got your sink with the nice oversized faucet there, so it's easy to get your hands under, wash your hands. And the storage situation here, plenty of storage going on. Love it. Let's check out the bedroom. This is a king size bed. Obviously you've got the front windshield there with the roller shade pulled down because it's pretty bright out. So TV prep is going to be to the left of that window. Otherwise you got a really nice wardrobe down here. Magnet to catch the door when it opens up. Pretty strong magnet, right? I'll show you this view because it's amazing. Ta-da! Got some customers already first thing this morning. So there you have it. Real minor changes. You know, biggest obviously is with the colors and the solar. Absolutely love that feature. This is a standard with 2 air conditioners. The one in the living room is a whisper quiet system with a heat pump built in. So, you know, if you're hooked up and it's a cold evening or cold morning, you can run that heat pump in your fireplace and it'll really get it, you know, nice and cozy inside. So this is a 294 High Country RL, and thank you for watching.